Every day, millions of plastic bottles are thrown away. But what if that waste could become something useful again? The journey begins when collected plastic waste arrives at this massive recycling facility. Before recycling can begin, the waste must be carefully sorted to remove unwanted materials. Advanced sorting technology then identifies different plastics and separates them at incredible speed. Even tiny unwanted materials must be removed before the plastic can enter the next stage. Labels, caps, and other materials are separated, so the main plastic stream stays as clean as possible. Now the bottles enter powerful industrial crushers, where they are reduced into small plastic flakes. These tiny flakes are the raw material that will eventually become new plastic products. But the flakes still contain dirt and residue, so they go through an intensive washing process. Multiple cleaning and separation stages remove the remaining contamination and prepare the plastic for transformation. After washing, the flakes are carefully dried. This is because moisture can affect the quality of recycled plastic. Before the material continues, automated systems and workers check its purity and consistency.
Next, controlled industrial heat melts the clean plastic into a uniform material that can be processed again.
Before forming the final material, the molten plastic passes through fine filtration to improve its quality. And finally, the recycled plastic is transformed into clean, uniform PE pellets, ready for manufacturing. These recycled pellets can now become new products, instead of ending their journey as waste.
After a final quality check, the finished products are packed and prepared to leave the factory.
So the next time you see a plastic bottle, remember, its story doesn't have to end in the trash, with recycling can do. Would you like to see what happens to old car tires next?